In this video, I'll show you how to learn a new language with Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, start a new chat and click the prompt box. Now type, "Create a beginner-friendly 12-week plan to help me learn Spanish." You can replace Spanish with any language you want to learn. Next, click the Send button. Claude will create a simple learning plan for you. It may include basic vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, greetings, numbers, and everyday conversations. You can also ask Claude to create daily lessons, quizzes, flashcards, or conversation exercises. For example, you can type, "Create a simple lesson for the first day with examples and exercises." You can continue using Claude every day to follow the plan and practice the language, and that's how you can use Claude AI to learn a new language. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.